This recipe is going crazy in the world. Heal your knees and rebuilds bones and joints. Aging brings about numerous age-related ailments, and as the body weakens, our bones and joints wear out too. The pain in the knees, bones, and joints is quite intense and debilitating and reduces the ability to finish even the simplest daily tasks. Aging mostly affects our knees, as they support even 80% of the body weight while standing. The joints also wear out due to improper body posture and excessive weight, long periods of standing, etc. However, there is a highly effective natural remedy which will soothe the pain and restore the vitality of your body. It causes no side effects as it is completely natural. The most important thing is to always act on time, and do not let the pain intensify or aggravate, as these ailments are progressive. You should always find a way to cure the ailment starting from its root cause. The following natural miracle will treat the pain in the joints and bones regardless of their cause. Knee, bone and joint pain remedy. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper powder, 1/2 cup of warm olive oil / 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 inch grated ginger. Instructions: you should add the cayenne pepper and the grated ginger to the warm olive oil, or apple cider vinegar, you can choose. Then, stir to prepare a paste. Apply the paste on the painful areas twice a day and leave it to act for at least 20 minutes. Cayenne pepper is high in a potent component known as capsaicin, which relieves pain. Its powerful natural analgesic properties cause a warm sensation and soothe the discomfort and pain. After a few weeks, you will notice that your tendons and ligaments are significantly strengthened, the inflammation is soothed, and the pain will gradually disappear.